We are from Bangalore and our company name will be the Plas Indra. We are in the printing machine equipment. We have many types of printers to print on the pipes. Especially we have lasers on drip printing on drip pipes, HDPE pipes like that. These pipes machines will be like PVC pipes printing. For this we using ink printing, and for HDPE pipes. For with the ISI approved, will be a hot embossing equipment. We will give you many options in the same printing on the pipes, profiles, CPVC, UPVC, conduits, and in we have many customers. And for laser, we already sold more than 230 to 250 laser printers. In ink printing machines also, we already sold out 150 machines from last 4 or 5 years. But this company is existing from last 25 years, and now we have our own manufacturing in Bangalore itself. For laser and everything, we will manufacture in our office itself, and we will do it in and we have enough stock if with the service in a one day, 24 hours to 48 hours. We will send you the our service person if any requirement, and usually our machines will never get any service issues also. Ma'am, it is good, ma'am, especially today Saturday, there's a weekend is there. No, we are getting a number of inquiries, and we are too busy in our stall today. Thank you, ma'am.